Are you ready to dance Sevillanas, the folkloric dance from Sevilla? It is a dance, a choreographed dance in 4 sections, and it's danced in couples. This tutorial right now is the first lesson inside my Online Flamenco Studio for the Traditional Sevillanas course. You can take this lesson here and then join us inside the Online Flamenco Studio with your free 10-day trial. The link is down below. So let's begin. So before we start on all the coplas, or at least the first copla, what you should know from the very beginning are the Sevillana Step, or the Paseillo, and the Pasada, or the passing step. So with the Sevillana Step, once you know it, you're going to use it forever. Also, the Pasada as well, you're going to use it forever in Sevillanas. So right now we're going to start with the Sevillana Step. Now, in the beginning of the copla, it starts on 4. We start on 4. Okay, so what we have is the basic, the salida of the singer, da 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 da, and then we begin. Okay, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're going to start on the right foot. And let me just show you really quickly what the Sevillana Step looks like. It looks like tap, step, tap, come around, step, step, tap, come around, step, step, tap, come around. All right, so again, now from the beginning, we have right, step, tap, down, tap front, and back. And then we repeat on the other side. Okay, so again we have right, left, tap, down, come around. So you want to come from the front to the back. And if you can't really balance very well, then you can drag your foot just slightly. Like that, to keep the balance. But, you know, the more you do it, the stronger you'll get. Okay, so we have, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, right, left, tap, step, come around. And then we'll go on the other side. Left, right, tap on the back, down, come around. Okay, again, starting on the right, and right, left, tap, down, come around, left, right, tap, down, come around. And we keep repeating it. Right, left, tap, down, come around, left, right, tap, down, come around. Now with the counts, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay? All right, so we'll practice this with solo compás, but I'm going to add arms right now. Now, if you are not ready for arms, just leave your hands on your hips. And especially if you're brand new to flamenco, you're going to leave your hands on your hips. But I will show you. You have, with the arms, you're going to go up through the center, and then open on the left, come back up through the center, open on the right, come back up through the center, and go down left, up through the center, down right, up through the center. So with the hands, you're going out, open, and in. Out, open, and in. Out, open, and in. Out, open, and in. So if you have flamenco experience, you'll be able to do the arms. If you have no flamenco experience, absolutely none, just keep your hands on your hips and worry about the feet, okay? All right, so let's put it together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So getting the arms with the legs is really challenging for newer beginners of flamenco. So, but one thing that you want to remember is up and here. So that left arm is going to go down while that right leg is in the back. Okay, and also on the other side, boom, right there. Okay, so let's practice this with one copla of Sevillanas, and we're just going to do the Sevillana Step over and over and over throughout the entire first copla. Okay? All right, so we'll do it twice. The first time, we'll keep our hands on our hips. The second time with the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Right, left, tap, down, come around. Left, right, tap. Right, left, tap. Left, right, tap. Right, left, tap. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, left, tap. Left, right, tap. Almost done. 4, 5, 6. We're gonna end. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now let's try it again. We'll add the arms. But if you're not ready for arms, leave them on your hips, the hands on your hips. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, left arm, right arm. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Para.
Porque hay palabras que hieren y no se deben decir. Porque hay palabras que hieren y no se deben decir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No te vayas todavía.
Finishing up.
No te vayas, por favor. No te vayas todavía.
4, 5, 6. Get ready. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thanks for taking this lesson with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, it's one of the first lessons inside the course of Traditional Sevillanas that is inside my Online Flamenco Studio. Now that studio is a membership, a monthly membership with over 60 courses in choreographies, technique, and flamenco theory for brand new beginners all the way through advanced dancers, and also has a wonderful, vibrant community, practice calendars, community challenges, live Q&As, and more. So please join us there. You can click here for your free 10-day trial. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.